Simple, basic stuff I know everybody knows because we all graduated middle school. Because middle school is slight, everybody got A's. All right, the mean. Mean is average, right? How do you spell average? So average. So the average, we add up all the numbers and then divide it by the number of numbers we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 numbers total. So you're going to do 150 plus 155 plus 155. And oh, see, you know what? What am I doing? Guess what? We don't have to do that. We have this guy, our little buddy right here. I'm going to press stat and then edit. I'm going to put, well, I already did. I put all my numbers in here 150, 155, 57, blah, blah, blah. And if you notice here, I ordered them least to greatest. So on paper, it's always good to do, but in the calculator, you actually don't have to do that. You can put them in any order, it doesn't matter. Now, I want to find the average, the mean. I'm going to go to, oh, stat, stat, and then over calc. Oh, one variable statistics. That's what the number 1 means. We say one variable statistics because if I go back to my list, it's just an L1, which means I only have one set of numbers. You know, there's no X and Y and Z, whatever. It's just one set variables, you know, just one. And then I'll go back to stat, calc, and then list L1. So all my numbers are. I put them in L1. Calculate. And look, you see this X bar right here? So X bar, that means average. So I got 161, and then you see 3 sig figs will make it 162. Always do it in 3 sig figs. And then N. Oh, N, that's the number of numbers. I keep hitting my mic. All right. So this was N. That's the number of numbers we have. N for numbers. I can keep scrolling down, more information. So you'll see all these little funky numbers here. We're going to end up using these later. We don't need them now. Now is the middle school part. So now I scroll down and ooh, more information. Here's the thing though, to make sure you have this information on your screen, you want to make sure you have the right settings here. Okay, everything's good. All right. So then I'll do it again. Stat, calc, one variable statistics, calculate. All right. Go down. So the minimum value is 150. Yep, right here. 150. Maximum value. Oh, yep. 179. I can find the range. So 179 minus 150. So what did I do? I did big boy minus small guy. And so big boy, small guy, I get, it's a big number. What's that going to be? 29. Haha. See how easy that is? Oh, there's also other stuff on here. Oh, median. Guess we got some calculations to do. Median, that's the middle number. Middle number. I don't like my B. There, middle number. All right, well, if I just look up here in my list, I can see, okay, if I go over 1 this way, 1 that way, 1 this way, 1 that way, and these are ordered from least to greatest, which is good. 1 that way, 1 that way. What's left over? Oh, this. That's my median. Middle number, 159. But if I go to my calculator, oh, MED, median, it's 159 right there. See, it tells me. See, it says it right there, right there. Yeah. Okay. Next one, mode. Mode is who shows up the most? Who shows up the most? Let's see. Oh, look, 155 shows up twice, and no one else does. So 155 is the mode. Oh, and yeah, so the calculator doesn't tell you that part. You have to do that on your own, which isn't too hard. Just find out which one shows up more than everybody else. This last part, quartile. You probably heard of this. So we have Q1, Q2, Q3. What this is we have 3 quartiles that are going to divide our data up into, look at this. You see this person? No respect at all. I'm in class. Why are you calling me? Get off my phone. Thank you. Anyways, like I was saying, Q1, Q2, and Q3 divide up our set of numbers into 4 different parts. Here, let me clean this up a bit. There we go. Clean up a bit. There you go. All right. So we're going to find our quartiles. So I like to start with the middle number. So the middle number is always going to be our median. Q2 is always our median. So our median's right here. So now we have these set of numbers to divide up equally. Well, if you look at that, I'll have to divide them up here and here. Like I said, this was Q2. This is our median. But if you look here, we don't have a number in the middle for these two. So we got to find the average of the two middle numbers. And if you see here in the calculator, they did it for us. 155 is Q1. What they did is 155 plus 155 divided by 2. That's 155. This is Q1, and it goes right here. Now for this one, we got to do 168 plus 172 divided by 2. And the calculator says that's 170, and it is 170, I promise. I don't lie. So 170 goes right here. So now we've divided up our numbers into 4 equal parts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what we mean by quartiles. But like I said, calculator will do that for you. How do I split the 3 groups? What do you mean? 155, 170. Start with the, so how to split them? Start with the median. And then after you get the median, you look to the left and right and say, okay, what's left over? You should have an equal number of numbers left over. I actually have another example here. So don't worry, Natalie, we'll do it with this example too. But first, if you notice, we're actually missing a number here. This is a common problem where they'll say, here's the average. Here are 8 of your numbers, or here are 7 of your numbers, but there's 8 total. Can you find the last one? Well, yeah. What I can do is I can say, okay, I know the average. I got to add them all up. So 157 plus 160 plus 162 plus 168 plus, and I don't know what that is, plus X. Plus 178 plus 189 plus 194. I know I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 5th number. 6, 7, 8. So total of 8. So divide that, and I'm going to get this number. So I'll write equals here. Now I just have to solve. So if I add all those numbers on top, what do I get? Oh, TI will tell us. 157 plus 160 plus 162 plus, well, I don't know. Oh, 168. Now the next one's X. I don't know X. Plus 178 plus 189 plus 194. And I get that. So I have 1208 plus X over 8 equals 172.25. Yeah, multiply both sides by 8. And I can solve for X. So times 8. So then I get 9664. Wait, sorry, I did that wrong. Clear. So 172, got ahead of myself. 0.25 times 8. There we go. I like that number better. 1378 equals 1208. And then I think Sarah is correct. Let's see. If she's correct, she can get bonus points. Minus 1208 both sides. 1208 both sides. Minus 1208. Huh. So I guess she gets bonus points. And it's on camera, so I can't cap. Okay. Yeah. There you go. So it is 170. So now let's go ahead and figure out what Natalie was talking about. Here we go. I'll put this down here. We're going to find the quartiles and all that stuff. So that was 170. 170. All right. So what would be the median here? Well, if I wasn't going to use the calculator, which, I mean, it's up to you. I would say, okay, well, it's 8 numbers, which means I have to take the average of the 2 in the middle here. So then 168 plus 170 divided by 2, 169, correct. Which, I got to throw her bonus points again. So 169 goes here. That's my median, or my Q2. So then now I'll say, can I find Q3 or Q1 and Q3? Let's try it. So now I have to look at these numbers, this group of numbers, and then this group of numbers. So then I need the middle of these 2 numbers to get Q3, Q2. Well then, 160 plus 162 divided by 2, 178 plus 179, it's a 9. Why am I not so ugly? There we go. Divided by, or 189, sorry. 189, that's why it's ugly, because it's wrong. Yeah, thanks for catching that. Here, just for that, I'm going to make it very beautiful, just for you, because I was trying to hurry up. 78, even that's ugly too. 178 plus 189 all over 2. So then it would be 178 plus 189 divided by 2. Go 2. There we go. 183.5. Yes. So it looks like everybody's got this. So wow, I think everybody's okay. Wow. So then yeah, you can start on the classwork. I'm gonna give you 6 problems for classwork because I knew you'd all be able to do this. I don't want to crush you guys with any